Bro,
You just posted cringe.
you are going to lose subscribers.
Bro, you just posted cringe. You're going to lose subscribers.
Bro,
You just posted cringe.
you are going to lose subscribers.
Bro, you're fucked up now. You should have never done that, man. Prepare to die.
Bro,
You just posted cringe.
you are going to lose subscribers.
What did you just call me? Lawyer.
Bro,
You just posted cringe.
you are going to lose subscribers. Bro,
You just posted cringe.
you are going to lose subscribers.
What the hell? Nah, bro, close the fridge. Close the fridge, bro. Jay, close the fridge. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Sir, what are you doing? Oh, my God, bro. Let me go talk to this man.
Gummy bear.
What are you doing? Oh, my God.
Bro,
You just posted cringe.
you are going to lose subscribers.
Is this true, Timmy? He talks back, he doesn't do his homework, he disrespects me, and he doesn't participate in class! He's failing the class. That's it, Timmy! You're getting the bail!
Bro,
You just posted cringe.
you are going to lose subscribers. Bro,
You just posted cringe.
you are going to lose subscribers.
Go home, or I'll call the gods on you. And you know I...
Bro,
You just posted cringe.
you are going to lose subscribers.
We're all out. But may I interest you in the active beehive?
Barney with an RPG and a 4x4. No more purple diamonds.
Right there, Lord of Bliss. Give us Cat Kenny right now. I may be little, but I have. How many bananas do you have?
I'll be the judge of that.
Fine, I'll just put this rich boy in ice prison! And you, Queso, you can just go. I know you have no stake in this.
Ladies and gentlemen, watch this commercial. You've seen this world now. Watch this commercial. It's your turn. Don't you know watch this commercial? Please don't.
That boy.
I made you Play-Doh spaghetti.
Wake up! It's time to wake up! Don't be lazy!
Yes, I can. Together is rainbow.
Welcome back to BBC News. Today we're testing if frogs like the taste of
What a beautiful day. Darby, are you copying me? Darby, are you copying me? There's a...
Welcome back to BBC News. Today we're testing if frogs like the taste of glizzy.
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
How to stop a...
Welcome back to BBC News. Today we're testing if frogs like the taste of glizzy.
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
Surprise! Surprise! Shout it!
Welcome back to BBC News. Today we're testing if frogs like the taste of glizzy.
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
For 1 million. 1 million. You guys have changed my life in so many ways. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for some more wacky, crazy content.
Waterfall Circle and Infected Circle are going up to deepest space.